The Kannada Kranti Dal has demanded a public apology from actress Rachita Ram for her recent statement on the first night during a press conference for her yet-to-be-released film Love You Rachchu. The organization has also sought a ban on the actress by the Karnataka Film Chamber of Commerce. Talking to reporters, the president of the organization Tejaswi Nagalingaswamy maintained that Rachita's statements were against the culture of the land and had damaged the image of the state. Faced by an intimidating question from a reporter, the popular Kannada actress, who was known as the Dimple Queen, responded by asking him what he had done on his wedding night recently. The reporter had questioned her on acting in sensual scenes, although she had said she wouldn't do them. Clarifying on the bold scenes in the upcoming movie Love You Rachchu, Rachita said she had done what the script demanded. There are so many people here who are married. I do not have any intention to embarrass anyone. Generally, I am asking you guys to tell me what people do after marriage. What do they do? Rachita asked the journalists. Even as the media persons were recovering from her banter, she answered her own rhetorical questions with, "They will romance, right?" That's what is being shown in the film. And she added, "There is some reason why I have done these scenes. You will get to know when you watch the movie. You just had a kid, you should tell me," she said smilingly at the reporter who had posed the question. Her bold statements were appreciated by her fans, but Tejaswi Nagalingaswamy said these were against the rich traditions of the Kannada film industry established by legends such as Dr. Rajkumar. All leading and veteran actresses have never issued such statements, he said. Rachita Ram, who doesn't know about the history of the industry, who has come to it recently, has spoken indecently and caused damage to its reputation, he added. Nagalingaswamy also attacked Rachita for acting in bold scenes in her earlier movie I Love You and yet-to-be-released Love You Rachchu. The Karnataka Film Chamber of Commerce should consider the statements of Rachita Ram seriously and impose a ban on her. Otherwise, we will not allow her movie Love You Rachchu to be released anywhere in Karnataka. We'll approach the courts, he said. News Desk, Kamudy Global.